Well, today, Holstein Australia, I see it as a very important part of our dairy industry. We are the custodians of integrity in our registrations and classification. We are very strong advocates for representative within the dairy industry.
The new structure will deliver a more direct representative channel, so people will be able to, as a member, be able to be elected onto the board. It will help the management and administration be able to have a more direct contact with members to ensure that we are delivering the services.
The coordinator will be a direct link to management, and the coordinator will also be able to organise budgets for that sub-branch, and in some cases manage CAF days and on-farm competitions. We don't plan to change sub-branch involvement, because that social interaction is very important in our community.
The sub-branches are still such an important part of this organisation.
A member that wants to have input can put their hand up and be elected directly to the board.
As an organisation, they have that closer link to the decision-making processes. The Strategic Directions Committee provides an opportunity for a body to work closely with the board to provide a wider perspective. It'll be representative, so it will replace what we currently have as the National Advisory Council and the national delegates.
It's something I'm very passionate about, is involvement of youth at any age.
We want to directly add youth into the strategic directions because we need to also be very aware of what the future looks like and what the people who will be our future, have them directly involved in the policy development of our organisation. It's been a tremendous journey because what it's allowed us to do to realise that how engaged our members are in the process, which is so critical in an organisation such as ours. And this organisation over its history has changed considerably, and I just see that this is another positive step to continue that change to ensure that Holstein is at the forefront of our industry. Don't hesitate to pick up the phone, drop an email, because this is really about your organisation.